Phi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakong san menta kasngi kilong. Khod Jylla uba Francis yaki kemeti kpa ki bangop ki khun haudrong. Haki arta yo kurup ki BSF point khatlai klur tengka na ki thai khapot. Tuba sha penyap kalong kme ba ikhun badang benai halang tor. Bang dan sedang no shen ya ke Shillong Medical College ong kong April. Bat mentang ini pai sing Khubor ke bakambania. Ka dream mission katanat trekam bak sorkar kelas sedang kalong ban yarab ban loj ban law ya ki saite sai khom na ka benta ki Samla ki balangop hakajing kerni hakajing di drong. Hakalai tarik LBER mission director ka dream mission ba Francis Khashiyeng ula khot iki kemi ki kpa ki badon ki khon ki balangop bat kerni hakajing di drong. Ba Francis ulayat ho bakidon arphongut ki kemi ki kpa nanong ston Shillong bat maungap ki balawan syakani ka Jylla ban yaselok halor ka jingat ki khon hakajing lien basneu ban di drong. Uba Francis ula bataya ka jing thmu jong kani ka Jylla. Kalong ban yarab iki kemi ki kpa ban loj ban law ban ai man siam ban pensting ki na ka jing sngoram ban jing sha pet iben hasnong hatau ban hakaim lang salang namar ki khon kilangat haka jingkerni bandi drop. Ulayat huru menta ki don sanut ki breu ki bala terwa ba ki kloi ban seng ya ki rehabilitation center ban yarab iki Samla ban laj na ki tersem jong udrop. Mulaong ka sorkar ka kloi ban kersan ya kini ki breu ki badon ki jingtmu babha ban yarab sumar ya ki Samla ki balangat hauni ujing di basniu. Ulaong ru kamlong ke besuk ban penya yaki rehabilitation center namar hang ne dan kam ke jing pet ke babenya ke jing sumar sukher ban ailat yaki ban penroi yala ki sap ki pong ban tre ban kata ulai thuru da ka baong ka sorkar ka don shisha ke jing thmu ban jing angnut ban rat deng khong ya udrok NAKA ni ke Jylla ulaong nang ne shakmat ki pulit bat ki Village Defence Party VDP ki badan hakeleng ki snong ki thau kini trelang manrat deng khong ya uni ujing di basneu ubala penjot ya ki jing im jong ki babon ki Samla ha ka ne ka Jylla ulaya thuru ka dream mission kan penlong ya ki Jylla jong ki seng Samla ki principal jong ki college ki headmaster headmistress jong ki school ban ya mirjing mod halor ka jing kenrei ka jing di drop bat ban wat kilat kilenti ban rat deng khong ya uni ujing di basneu
how shen ngan sebelum sawi ke meeting pada khot ke Jylla jong ki seng Samla jong bor ka Shillong min ya khot meeting man ya kren man ya perkhat hakulu kom gila benya ma de and drugs activities menia le
and drugs sebelum
itu drugs ang ni do heroin wat ka dia dengan ba ka jing mak ba khrau ba tingginya persang le si ini ya cakmat na kermen ba po arsnem itu ngan seperti ngin ka soka seperti kita sal
Rai kadang ni am ka jingit discuss
kita discussion kita tegi nak kalian ki polis ya kerat ni kita ki kita ni kita penyak ke rehab ni kamnong mo penyak hospital tu beri upang stom sup ki ai dawai dia kedon ki doktor ki dot ki rehab ngala lai li rehab center ngalai kedu makan kesin meningkong mengai kabajenja ba penyak dia kamdei ke bakar kamdei ke sup penyak ki ba nompang tu teng ki jumlah banyak syak jumlah banyak kami itu rumah kami kabalong problematik ba di inu ba nong penyak ya rehab dia kamu ke kam krau ba ke kam ba kam sak de da kajim ai min sim jongi mentak lami te kisan te ngi kerman ba ini trailang ba ka sorkar kan ai support kan service yang ni issue ba government bagi dia ai full support ini rehab kalau rukom ni la le sorkar kalau don lupa skim life war haja ai no ki bawan ki kena ki bawan nak kalian ke bibian ke support kan but ya ki rehab sumi ai support but bun ki rehab ki ba kena baduk you ki ai free treatment
hapo artayo nadu ka khandriu tarik rampang hadu artarik LBER ki pulit yada khapot Border Security Force BSF kilayo kurup ki mar khayitu ki balakot shaka point khatlai klur tengka tam na ki kitem khayitu ki badon hasilenter ka khapot India Bangladesh Hagaju Khubor ki BSF kila penlong bun tili ki program hikai trekam ki sports bat ki free medical check up ban sam dawai ki ba hakishnong khaput. Lengba kini ki program ki BSF ki yo ya kajinga trelang ka bajan ba na ki ba ka than khaput. Hakini ki arta yo ki BSF kila kurup ru shispa sau phulai tili ki masi ki batmu ban shalantu sa Bangladesh. Kajing don ki BSF hakikitem khaput kalawan ra shibun kajing shngai na kabenta ki ba ki basyong hakishnong khaput. Hakaway kajing ja basngo sin a bat kaba pensu jer ya ki ba. Hadian kajing lap ya kamet yap jong kaway kalong kemi bat iklung badang arbanai. Hakaway kajaka penlang kabadan hakashnong langtor. Ya kani ka long kemi latip kerteng kum kakong darisha lengdo kenshi rengkat ikhon jongka. Kani ka long kemi bat ikhon kila ja arngai nadu kashi tarik LBER hajar arpusan hakapor kumbasan baji janmin. Na kalian ki bahayeng kila penlong ya kajing wat shnong baro shimit penban kimlap ksai. Bat kani kala penlong ya ki ban pentip marmar syaki bor pulit. Haka step ar tarik LBER hadian kajing wat shnong lalap ya ki hakajaka penlang hakapor khandai baji men step bat ki pulit ru kilawan bantok kit benya ya kane ka jingja bas ngosi ki bahayeng kila ujor daka ejahar haki bor pulit mairang police station ki balakit ya kini ki met yapshan Negrims hospital Shillong banle ya ki postmortem ki bahayeng ki badan halang tor kila penpau ka jing suba ka kong darisha lengdo kenshi kam Samla no yap NEHU la ka jong ka jing im hendrai ki don ki real transnam ki balale ya kani ka kamrunar ka pasirkai ya kani ka kemi bat ikhun jong ka ki bahyeng ki la tujur ya ki bor jong ka an bakin tokit benya banwat ban kem ya kini ki runar ki badon kti ha kani ka kampo jan ki la turu ya ki pulit ban penshitom jur ya ki runar kat kum ki kendon an paperking
jong long kum ni na kayeng kasam ni dan kita kajing semua pajano kajing semua tu dah ini para mak bang kuama ban labe we balik tu semua dia kena para jangan meran ngsikun dan waktu pun barang rid mau kila du semua bat para kami ini ikon maba uang ba ide ta ikon jong itan dia kena para jangan ka kami ba de pa jong ne long ma enang taruh sabat long ngi ngasem pernem udang ditin pernem kayaknya ngi bahi ngasemnya kata para jong aba bakam dei pen ai pai ne umde pun jong uma te ina kaliang kayeng ngasem tengi dan kajing ta ma ba kan ka para te kadai long ka ang hak ba udai para jong arap umde para ka ba yang ngejebut sing perkat ma kini kisngi kiba akan sa ijin tan na nangi kiba yung sama ay wala sikit dito pang kanjok dito kiba yung sama ko bangan din sa bangan wala na dito sa pagkansanda minsa lap ya taga met kabatan ta po mata ikon ibadang tiba saya arpanan ta kisngi kalian kayeng kasemte long kwa mai Khuborjylla ka ay kan tray ka hap mo ba hadu bang nalab ikta kinang le kam snake ki pamman sa ka ikan sitam juria kan sitam juria kan jingle pamman jingle pam sanyaw kan dia ketigim simbri mo unut at shape tamle ni long tagi ki kon swet bala me menta sa kan ka para ko wan jagum ne ma ini yang nasam ni daw long tang tingin bro ki baduk ma ki bacing jat dengan ka paro yung odo kini kikan ki ini seng malang na deng idan ka masim siapa yarap lang yang ni kayeng ka samuri kendo ikini gijing indai kan yarap no kan ain sim lang yang ni ay kuplero ikine ki pulis panen ki balayarap dia dan ta be dia kejano dubas tang kini kikan
Kementri kekwat kekhia kong amprin lengdo hakas ngining kong kalayathu ki kam kilaya shat nak bentaban sedang no ya kajing puli doktor Khuborjylla ha Shillong Medical College hadien ba kilayo ya kajing menjur nak National Medical Commission NMC ya kani kajing perbena ke menteri kalai hak juba bahlor kajing keli balawan ra ada nong yalam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma hakikenta keli jingkeli hayeng dorbar tawan ke Jylla.
So that is the first thing. It is a brownfield project. We did not require to institute a new hospital. We needed to look at the infrastructure that is already available. The manpower is already available. We have designated the research department to also be the academic department. So these are the major administrative decisions that had to be taken. So now we need to look at the number of beds as per NMC criterions. So we've said there was no need to invest so much money. If you remember in the earlier proposal, there was a big financial implication. And to operationalize this medical college in Shillong, there was no need for us to invest. There were committees instituted, there were studies conducted, there was a lot of debate and discussion already initiated on this matter. Cost of medical studies. The moment you say private institution, we will always look at what is this private institution asking for. So we understand that there is anxiety and anxiousness, but the department is on the job. We've done the affiliations with NEHU. That was also required. And then we've looked now at what are the infrastructure requirements. What is the cost that will be actually incurred to develop a brownfield project of this kind. So then we've also looked at when is the NMC coming? Are we ready for the NMC to come? We've gone ahead and we've looked at the requirement of professors. We've gone ahead and we've sat in the cabinet to look at
Kinoyalam Kaseng Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People FKJGP West Khasi Hills District Hadin ba kilala jurib ya kajaka puli Politeknik Kebadon Hashnong Marusiar West Khasi Hills kilaya kendo ya UDC ba Garrett LSN Dykes ban pan jing pensyai halor ke jing sa kongreng jong kanika skul puli la bon snem menta. Samla Ananstar Penlang Vice President FKJGP habakran Shakila Pathai Khubor ulaong. Kadkum ka jing yo jing tip ya ka jing tray ya kanika Politeknik lamang pisa kerpang daka Sorkar India lengba ka Ministry of Human Resource Development MHRD nadu usnam 8,000 khandai. Ulaong ru na kaliang UDC ula pensyai haki dekot ka seng daka baong. Ka skim balabay daka Sorkar pedeng lengba ka Ministry of Human Resource Development MHRD kalakut bar ka syong sah ka Sorkar Jylla menta ban ped ya kijingdon kam jong kani ka jaka puli. Kumta, kinong yalam ke FKJGP kila dawajur na ka Sorkar Jylla ban shimkhia ban pendap mardor ya kijing te ya kanika Politeknik ban wanra kloy ya kijing mentoy na ka banta ki Samla jong kini kithan.
Kejing korang ya ka politik building kepada nang teh po Marusiar bahapa po kan nang stoi tau. Di nakaling kejongi ngilayo ban keren ban UDC. Di hati kejing ya keren kejing pancing syai jongi nakaling keseng audisi kalong ba kai ka ban perlong ya kanika ka school Politeknik ban I korang ko tei ka bagalong mentah. Di nakaling jong iru ila pensyai yang I kum keseng ba ya kani ka benta ngilak bodong ka phase 1 ani ka scheme jong kani lengba kani ka Ministry of Human Resources Development bala bahak da ka Sorkar Pedeng daudu usne marja arja kendai kwa susah kut no kumto nomor ba legitipi ba ka jing social ani ha po kari ke jui ka long kumta na ka daw ki elections ba hadin kata nakaling jong di silu la panchai hangi ba ya kanika ju ka scheme ka bede kanika Politeknik building kemudian tai po Marusiar nakaling jong UDC ula pansyah ni ba nakaliang ka Sorkar Jylla ru kalawan hapo district administration ban dom jingtip ni ban penong da sendon da kata committee ka state committee ban ra ya ka report ka bedai mekanika mentah di kumtahi ka jing presya nakaliang udisi ban nakaliang jungi komsek isgo ban hak Khubor siya ka Sorkar ba ka Sorkar kadai ban pakhat kadai ban le kham kerki ya kanika kam kabide kanika politik building ke beton hani po marusiar hani po nongstoin ke jungi namar kuma i ba kadeka chup ke jungi ke bangta ikun samla mo i haban mi nama ka jong lek district ban lek puli kiwe ke district dan kiwe ru ke Jylla wat shabar jong Jylla mi clear te yolesi kadeka politik kadeka jingger ku na ka mata ikun samla jong dong ka thai ke jungi but kamtam he jong district jungi
Usembut Menteri Rangba bapet yaki kampo ye. Ba prestun tensong hakasngi nengkong, ula juba beka call attention motion hayeng dorbar tauan, halor karai jangka Shillong mukro ban boycott yaka election JHEDC badang adaptation. Uba prestun ulaong, Khubor distrik ka West Jante Hills kentup ki tenat sorkar, kila tray klem shong tat, ban penti kena bandon ka jing shong suk shong shengan hakate katan. Ulaya turu ke sorkar kala persang bon ba kilat kilenti ban penbet yaki kam yaka jiaput rengkat ke jingshim bentalang kinong yelam shnong.
A DCSP level border meeting was held on 31st January 2025 and also 14 February 2025. During both the meeting, detailed discussions conducted on the overall security of the Meghalaya-Assam border with the Assam authorities assuring their cooperation in maintaining peace and order. The district administration of West Jante Hills, including the police department, are working tirelessly towards ensuring peace and tranquility prevails in the area. Their timely intervention in most of the disputes has undoubtedly prevented further escalation of the situation. Sir, as a result of this effort, the residents of Mukro village reconsidered their decision and agreed to participate in the elections. The campaigning process was conducted smoothly and the situation is being closely monitored to ensure continued peace and security in the area. Mr. Speaker, sir, I am pleased to inform the members of this August House that the general elections to the Jante Hills Autonomous District Council, which was held on the 21st February 2024, the percentage of voter turnout from 12 Baratu Mukro constituency was 84.63%. Sir, this figure speaks highly of the efforts that have been undertaken to ensure that people residing along the interstate border exercise their rights to vote. Furthermore, several efforts have been made to resolve the border disputes involving both the state governments and community leaders. Government of the day has also sanctioned quite a number of border outposts throughout the state. In addition to this, the government of the day had also sanctioned 9 new police outposts in the state to resolve the dispute issues when it arises. Sir, the government remains committed to protecting the rights and security for the border residents, and necessary steps will continue to be taken to address their concern. Sir, as also mentioned by the Honorable Local MLA from Meghalaya, the issues for developmental programs, yes sir, government has already noted down those issues raised by the Honourable Member, and also relating to the ongoing regional committee of both the states for the second phase discussion and dialogue. I am very sure in the second phase of the discussion, the dialogue, which is to be made both sides of the states from Meghalaya as well as from Assam, we will be able to resolve these long pending issues, and we will be able, I am very sure, to resolve it permanently.
Kinoyalam ka Muay Thai Association Meghalaya kilajit ban pha shembantah drengut kirang ban samut kitheya khun Muay Thai ka banlong hakemar Antalya Turkey ban penlong da ka International Federation Muay Thai Association. Ki Samla shenrang na Meghalaya ki kentup ya uban sa nam kerpang war khelo Andrew Maring penebor Milliam Ngam Alan Donald penebor Kharthang Mau Sylvester Ingti bat Aris Imsat hakatop elite. Kadba kaken hun kiken thei kiken thop ya kasamla Mary Christine Riang Anita Rai Iban Talin Kharumnoit bat ka Suzy Pawa hakatop senior women.
Kabrang subdivision menakani kepasedang madu kat kena itu harus santri hak day apa Western Hills. Tengah semua isoban ibrom sekali ya kan SUE lima kaji itu juga lima kaji tiat bejir juga ya first chief star sport star berpenduk ada ya ada train tengah semua naik place sekali ini adalah jiram bahwa hadir mengiok cinta yang mereka Meghalaya game kepada sudah muda ini benar-benar Januari kemudian kaya Muay Thai ini sebenarnya kajian kulai arti ajar jadi ini nongirap mereka ASEAN juni kebangilan nur aslam ban layo ilang jauh kering tapi kerman bagi bagi yo kering ni kering apa bagi tiap bajir dengan jirap cingkot kita juga nasuin tengah air pelaki bagi mengenai ngiranglah usai sipun kikna nah kita merepresent lah kalau hak world kalau ke national kalau state maupun tertentu. Nak lihat komunitas nilai yo ka Khubor kalau sispa kendai armut ta kalau pergi kena yo ka mau kalau bedni ke bio silap pro bio arlak kita bio silap tam ke bio berkunta tertentu. Tengi so ban omba dei lembaga nek sorkari kalau kentir sya ya ka sport haman lagi disiplin per bar komunitas nilai yo ya ka scholarship kepala duk sedang mengupgrade ikna dengan rio kemasau pemrimut nam tak scholarship manloguna kiyo ikan international kena juga bio bron lasia kiyo benyo khasan ajar ikas ya kan ikas scholarship bagi bio gold medal nak taka national kiyo praja silver kiyo nyoja bat nam tak bio bronze kiyo rioja tekni kalau long ka ek buat kelak sarkar ka please kelak ti ki na kita kinangyo kelak kelenti berkersan Jylla di wat punya itu kena kebetuk lebih nak yang kalau yang maksan kebetuk kelalah dan yo kersan hak dan kampuat kerja kuliru dengan semua bandung ini berkait dengan sompau sisen yang kita sohaka
UMLA ke Shillong North ba Adalbert Nongrum ulawan ra da kamat ya tai hayeng dorbar hadian ba uba Michael Sim ula berngem banyak ki hakmat sekretariat bam IY show ya ka MEECL ya ka Daulenong Lum Pongdeng Haden Omyam habaju bab halor kane o menteri ketenat boarding AT Mondal ula pentip ka MEECL kala shimkhia ya ka kam bat ladep ban ai ladru ya unong shimwai Ulong ru karai juga tenat kamdei setia ban syukni jendat henrei ka dei ka balale kat kum ke soskular balaya soi.
Pak Michael Sim is the chairman of Machaprang Tourism Promotion Group. And even as I speak, he is currently on the street outside Secretariat raising a voice of protest against the decision of Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, MEECL, not to renew the lease for tourism promotion activities at Lom Pongdeng Island, located within Omnium Lake. Since 1997, MEECL has been granting Machaprang Tourism Promotion Group. And gradually, with the start of tourism promotion activities, the island, which earlier witnessed deforestation by timber lodging when 4 wheels trucks could cross at dry season. Today, we can clearly see ecological restoration with afforestation and even wildlife returning. In the tourism circuit, Mr. Speaker, sir, Lompongdeng Lake Island is widely known as an idyllic retreat for young and old who go to visit. And it is particularly sought after as a wedding venue and honeymoon destination since 2008, but might. Machaprang Tourism Promotion Group has added a boat house, which is the first of its kind in Meghalaya and even in the Northeast. Honorable Mr. Speaker, sir.
UMLA na mukayaw ba anu jorki sungo hakikenta jingkeli hayung darbar tauan ulawa jingtip na kasorkar halor ka jingdawa ban kentiu no ya ka lasken block sya ka civil subdivision haba jubab halor ka ne ka jingkeli usembut menteri rangba ba prestun tensong ulaong ya ka ni kakam kasorkar Jylla kadang bishar benya Kaju bab ubak prestun ula ai halor ka jingdawa civil subdivision balawan ra ada UMLA ka mau senram ba olan sing swing.
Creation of civil subdivision, and few department has submitted the clarification, and also more of them are yet to submit the detailed report. And thereafter, sir, again, one standing committee headed by the Chief Secretary will again, once the report is collected from all the concerned department, and all this report will be again sent to the standing committee under the chairmanship of the Chief Secretary, and thereafter the committee will put up to the government for final decisions.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to bring to the knowledge of this House that Lasken block is one of the oldest block in the state as a whole, sir. It was, Lasken block was inaugurated in the year 1973, sir. Until now, we are having a population of not less than 1,25,000, and that also as per Aadhaar enrollment, sir. And the total number of households is more than 15,000. And the area which Lasken block covers, it is more than 500 square kilometers, sir. So, looking at all these basic requirements, we feel that Lasken block has fulfilled all the necessary requirements to be upgraded to a civil subdivision. So that's why, sir, I raised this issue and again, and with the hope that the government will listen the cry of the people of our Lasken block, sir. And one more question, sir. How much is the cost, sir, for in 1 year for the cost of creation of one civil subdivision, sir?
Sir, I don't have a detail of the total cost in creation of each civil subdivision. But of course, once the decision is taken for creation of new civil subdivision, we need to also consider the expenditure of creation of posts and creation of establishment or infrastructure in that particular area, and so on and so forth. So I don't have the exact expenditure involved in the proposed creation of civil subdivision, sir. But however, as I've already replied in the very beginning, that the matter is being examined by the government, sir.
One last question, sir.
Okay.
So I would just like to know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, sir, whether is there any specific timeline, sir, that the government set to fulfill the aspiration of the people?
Sir, there is no such specific timeline, but let the government
UMLA Kamenlim, ba Ronnie Vilingdo, Ulara Haying Dorbar, Halor Kajing Pentre, Yaka Surok Shillong Dauki, Kabalawanra, Yaka Jinglang Hakibabun Kijaka Hakitan Apo Shillong. Hakaju Khubor, Ulakan Turu Yaka Sorkar Ban Petba, Kenang Baki Palba, Kinum Yakundu, Bun Kijing Nakadao Kajing Penjulor, Yaki Surok Shnong. Habajubab Yakani, Menteri Ketenat PHE Marcus Marak, Ula Pentip, Halor ke jinglat ke naki pipe hakite jaka ladap ban penbed bat ban maramot. Kadbana kaliang usembut Menteri Rangba ba Preston Tensong ula pentip ki surok shnong ki basyakta nakajing shna ya kanika surok ula dap ya kren bat ya penbed bat ke NHIDCL.
Move on to next question. Question number 2 raised by Ronnie Vilingdo. Sri Marcus Marak, Minister in charge, to reply please.
Sir. Answer to question number 2. A, yes sir. B, sir, the steps have already been taken to address the pipeline leakages and the issues sorted out as follows. The leakage near Matilang Junction has been plugged. The leakage at Tea Garden has been plugged. The leakage before Shillong Peak Junction has been plugged.
Yes, please. Your supplementary questions.
Yes, I would like to thank the Honourable Minister for addressing these issues because, sir, for some months, works was delayed there because when I asked people implementing the project, they said because of the water leakages. So I'd like to thank the Honourable Minister for taking, immediate steps, and now the work is progressing. So another suggestion, of course, not related to PHE, but then maybe I'd request the Deputy Chief Minister or the government to take this up. A lot because of the alignments or the gradient. Some of the villages, the gradient, they have lowered so much that approach to these household, approach to these villages, for example, in a 4th mile, 4.5 mile, 5th mile, people are not able to come out because, of the lowered the gradient. So I'd appeal to the Minister, the Deputy Chief Minister in charge, PWD, to take up with the NHIDCL to ensure that approaches to these villages are looked into so that people are not put into.
So what is your question?
Question is, sir, if I can ask the Deputy Chief Minister in charge roads to take up with NHIDCL.
Menteri Rangba Konrad K Sangma ula pentip bakilala abanshna hadu Syahjar Driuspa iwaitili ki pungum ni kita ki spring shed hakini ki sansnem. Habajubab hakikanta jingkeli hakador barmang pisa, Menteri Rangba ula ongru bala penlut hadu 20.0 puar klur banshna yakini ki pungum. Shwa yakane UMLA ka VPP na mauring keneng ba HS Kharapran ulawanra ka jingkeli halor ka jingshna yaki pungum lengba ka spring shed development program banyada na ka jingkela ka Mariang. Halor ka ne kamat bungut ki dekhot ka yeng dor bar kira shim banta banwad banya yaki jingtre kam ka sorkar lengba ki jingkeli.
Sir, as I mentioned, the process of ensuring that the spring sheds are rejuvenated and maintained is actually an ongoing process. And different interventions take place at different times through different schemes in order for us to be able to rejuvenate the springs. And multiple activities continue. And, sometimes, as I said, we need to increase the vegetation out there. So the plantations that take place, they help, and the different kind of like biofencing that we do, that helps. At the same time, sir, interventions like the engineering interventions. So there are two kinds of interventions, sir. One is the engineering intervention, and one is the vegetative intervention. So then they're sub-classified under these two main categories, and therefore, sir, activities continue. So therefore, it's not that we just construct one dam and then the job is over, and we expect that we'll maintain that dam forever. It's a continuous process, as I said, vegetative, and ensuring plantations take place, and engineering, so that interventions like check dams, gabion walls, and others are even put in. So all these kind of different provisions are there. And therefore, depending on the particular spring, we have different activities and involvements. So just to share with the House again, that what I have replied right now to the House is the process that takes place under MG in our EGS, sir. Now, we also have a scheme, as I said, under the ADB, where there is a project for climate adaptation and community-based water harvesting project. Again, the concept being to rejuvenate springs, and close to about 532 structures in that also will be implemented, and this is almost a 62.
Pada kitu ki Khuborjylla pois ka bakun terhadu bangin daya Shembiang Khuborjylla.